With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question they ask, the figure given below show the epidermal cell of an onion bulb. This cell was then transferred to a drop of sugar solution. What would be done to restore the cell back to its original condition? First we have to see when we transfer the cell to the drop of sugar solution, what happened to the cell. So this cell become plasmolized when put in a drop of sugar solution. Because of diffusion, water will transfer from cell to the sugar solution. Now to regain this situation back, we need to put the cell back to the hypotonic solution immediately, so that cell regain its water and its shape also.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.